Retrieve the Excel spreadsheet for the Downloads folder or the location where is stored. When opened, Excel may send a note indicating that is opened in protected mode. Click the Enable Editing button. This action will display a pop-up window indicating that you are about to connect to your Oracle Cloud application. Please confirm the connection by clicking the Yes button. Insert your system credentials and click Login. When the connection is properly established, all data field names will be displayed and the spreadsheet is ready to be used. Populate the Excel spreadsheet using the single journal worksheet. First, enter journal header details. Enter data access set. Enter journal name. Enter descriptive name. You can use the journal name you entered. Select ledger name from list of values. Enter accounting date using the format month, day, and year. Group ID is already defaulted. Source is also defaulted as spreadsheet. Enter category. Journal header details are ready. Fill the journal lines details. Enter segment values. You may manually enter segment values directly in each cell or double-click in the segment cell to open a window to search for appropriated values. Select USD for currency. Enter the debit or credit amount. Optionally enter a line description. Repeat the steps to enter the second journal line. Insert additional rows if more journal lines are required. Make sure that the total entered debit amount is equal to the total entered credit amount. Journal lines data is entered, and journal is balanced. When done, locate the Create Journal option in the Excel main menu and click Submit. Row status should show row inserted successfully. It is recommended that you save the journal submitted in your records with a name that allow you to recognize it if needed. Close Excel.